All right, so we just have our triple cheddar cheese that we got crusting on our croissant that I split in half. Now I'm gonna grab some bell peppers. These are just diced bell peppers. I'm gonna put that right on the side with the cheese. Ooh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. We're gonna let those roast up. Now I'm gonna grab 1 egg right there. And I did grease my pan. I want my yolk to be broken, so I'm gonna go ahead and break that baby up. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious 1-pan breakfast. So quick and so good. All you need is a croissant, some cheese, an egg, and you don't even need the vegetables, but I'm trying to be a little bit healthier for you guys, so I got some veggies. Now, of course, we gotta season up our veggies and our eggs, so I have some garlic powder here. So just a nice little sprinkle right there. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some black pepper, and you can do whatever seasoning you like. I'm just using what I like. This is totally customizable to your liking. So I do have this on a medium-low heat because I don't want things to burn, but I want things to cook evenly. Now I'm gonna grab some pink salt, and you can skip the salt if you're worried about the sodium. You guys know I always say that. All right, so we really want all this to cook up and be yummy and delicious. So I am gonna grab a top pan, and we are gonna let that egg cook up, let those peppers roast up. And once they are, semi-cooked, we are gonna flip that big boy and have the best breakfast. All right, now about halfway through cooking, we are gonna add a little bit of garnish, some chopped parsley, and that can go right on top of those eggs, go on that bell pepper, and I think we gotta mix up those bell peppers a little bit so that they cook evenly. Just get our wooden spoon and kind of, ooh, it's cooking right into that cheese. You see that? Oh, it's getting crusted and delicious. All right, this is almost ready to flip. We just gotta make sure that egg is cooked. Okay, let's put that lid on for about 30 more seconds. It's been 30 seconds, and it's time to flip this baby. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a perfect flip. Go ahead and get my spatula under this side. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh, do you see that?
Wow.
Oh my. Okay, so this is almost ready. We're gonna close this baby up and make a sandwich, but I have to have chipotle mayo in my sandwich. Okay. Oh yeah.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Yes. Go ahead and just spread that out on that crusted cheese. Delicious.
The cheese looks perfect, babe.
Thank you. Now, this is a breakfast sandwich, so I have some cooked bacon, and we are just going to put that right there. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, so now we want to get all of those bell peppers nicely folded in as best as we can. That egg, nice in there. Oh, the egg is cooked. Okay, it's time to close this baby up. So what we do here is we grab 1/2, and just like that, look at that sandwich. Oh my. Okay, you guys, this is ready. I need to eat this right now. Ooh, my spatula. Let me grab my stronger one. We have the bell peppers, the egg, the bacon, the croissant, the cheese. Okay, let's cut this baby open. Okay.
Wow, that looks so good, babe.
The perfect bite. Ooh.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.